How are you, Miss Huggins? I just want to go over a few things with you about this assignment. This is all very good. This is excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. Now, this is where the problem comes in. You see the we believe, our, we. You started out so very, very well. All right. Instead of saying we believe that pets should offer us happiness, especially as we age and all of our services, okay, put something catchy in here that the senior will say, oh, this really, see how you started out? It's really exciting. Keep that up. Trust us, we're here to lend you a hand. That's very good. I'm not saying that you cannot use the personal pronoun us, our, we, or my, but you want to make sure that you're addressing the customer. Your pets offer you happiness, especially as you age. You need services that will help you to continue the growth of your of and the bond of your pet. You see where I'm going with this? Convenient locations are in your area, which makes it easy for you to use our services. You see where I'm going with this? Use fewer and fewer we and our and especially believe, and make sure that, see how you have reach out to us. That's good because you're addressing the customer himself or herself. All right, so that's what I wanted to focus on. All right, so that when you create your flyer, you're going to create something that is going to address the person that to whom you're talking. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.